Hello, everyone. Does my voice sound crazy? I know it does because I have been down sick for a week, and no, it was not COVID. It was a normal cold, and I am just now getting back to where I can move around. And I am out today because I need to get some things from Joann's. Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, and like a quilting store. They're like the only places in my area for me to get things. And Joann has like everything there, and I don't want to run around town. So I'm in the parking lot at Joann's because there are some projects that I want to work on for Christmas. So every year for Christmas, I have a total of 4 siblings, so there's 5 of us, and everyone's married. Well, except for one, but she's engaged. So everyone has a significant other. So there's 10 of us. So because there are 14 grandchildren, and all of us buy for the individual grandchildren, us siblings and the significant others, we draw names on Thanksgiving. So even though we draw names and we get that one particular person that we're going to buy for, I do like to do a little something for everyone, but it's usually just something small. Sometimes I bake. I make like a banana nut bread, like a loaf, and I also make a mean sausage bread. Everyone loves my sausage bread, and sometimes I make gifts. Other times I have done it where I actually did all 3. Just depends on how I feel. But what I want to do this year is make ear warmers, but I want to put the fluffy, stretchy fleece, I think that's what it is, the kind that looks like cotton, on the back side of it. And so I know they don't have that at Walmart, and I want to drive out to Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to go into Joann's and pick some of that up. And I have enough black fleece at the house for the men, and I'll just pick up a solid color for the women. I'm going to be making a total of 13. And I also need to pick up some fabric because my godmother requested some aprons. She said that aprons are hard to find, and she's an apron person. She loves to wear aprons all the time, even when she's sitting around the house, and especially when she's cooking. So I'm gonna look for some fabric for her aprons, and then I was going to take some time out with my nieces, and we're going to make some reindeer ornaments. And I have some brown yarn at the house, but it looks kind of, I don't know, I don't like the way the shade of it. So I'm going to get a different roll or bundle of yarn while we're in there as well. And also, Monica from That's So Monica made some fabric ornaments to put in the front of her fireplace. And I am making a pom-pom wreath. That sounds so silly. I'm sorry, y'all. But I really wanted to share this with you. So the next time I get back on here, my voice won't sound like a man. But since I'm making my mom this pom-pom wreath, I thought maybe I could make a couple of those ornaments, fabric ornaments, to put in front of her fireplace as well. So I'm going to pick up a little fabric to match the pom-pom wreaths to make maybe 3. And I'll just take you along with me, and you can see the fabric I pick out. All right. So this here is a type of fabric that I want, but I cannot find it. So I'm gonna have to ask someone about it. This is just a throw that I picked up to show them what I'm talking about. I'm sorry. It's okay. Yes, I forgot to bring my Christmas holiday mask, so I'm still wearing the turkey. But they ended up having a couple of selections. I just did not know where to look. So they have this black and white one, and then they have this tan and white as well. So I think I'm gonna go with the black and white because it will match the fabric that I already have at home, and it's pretty unisex. It's cute. I am also going to make an infinity scarf for my brother and one of my sister-in-laws. I'm trying to find just one bolt of fleece that could be like I can use for both of them versus getting two different cuts, but I don't think I see anything right now that could go both ways. So I'm just gonna keep looking. So I didn't find anything that I thought that they would like equally. So I just got two different ones. This one for him and this one for her. Believe it or not, I have never purchased yarn from Joann's. I always get it from Walmart. The yarn I want it to look like this, but they don't have any, so I think I am going to go ahead and head over to Walmart and see if I can find what I'm looking for. So I got what I could get out of Joann's. Now I am on my way to Walmart. Sorry. Now I'm on my way to Walmart to finish getting what I need, which is the yarn. And also, I don't have a pattern to make an apron, and New Looks patterns are normally $3.99 or $4.99, but they don't carry apron patterns. So I'm gonna dig through those so easy patterns at Walmart that are like $1.99 and see if they have any available. And then if they do, then I'll be able to knock that out as well. What I'm not going to do is print off a PDF pattern. I am over PDF patterns. I am now at Walmart. Just lock the car, try to run in here and run out really quick.
How you doing today, miss?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing good?
Nah, I don't see. So they didn't have the yarn that I wanted either. So I just ended up getting a lighter color than what I have at home. Hopefully it'll work out. Now I'm going to look at the patterns. So there's these two pattern options. As you can see, you've got this one right here that calls for 1 yard and this one for 2 yards, but it also has a mitten pattern and it's the same price. So duh, I'm just gonna go with this one. They also have these patterns up here, but it's too much involved. Not trying to do all that detail right now. Yeah. And look at what we've run into here. Trying to make a mini version of that. So I don't feel like cooking today. So I think I'm gonna stop at Wendy's and give me a little something to snack on. The car was beeping because the sensor picked up that someone was behind me. But I'm gonna stop at Wendy's, give me a little couple nuggets and head on home.